8 techniques for making individuals regard you right away. 1. Be the last to talk to. Have the decision to giggle at yourself free. Let your activities talk more grounded than your words. Forget out anything you mean. Confess all 5. See the remarkable in everything and everybody. 6. Give regard to others. Treat others how you ought to be made. Do. 7. Have the decision to change yourself into a better individual. We are normal for change. You are either improving or getting more lamentable. 8. Help others when they need assistance. Moreover, request help when you really want it by a long shot. Most keep collected in any case. When they truly need to convey something to stay away from a contention with somebody, they truly consider it about mind. Research says, when you are meeting somebody, show energy. This will make them more restless to see. Moreover, meet you later. The expert of this framework are pet canines. Conflicting supporting style. As frequently as potential leads to the youngster being not prepared to depend upon the gatekeepers and become restless, volatile, and furious. Mind science says, when you begin taking care of yourself, you begin feeling better, you begin being genuinely captivating, and you, without a doubt, even begin to draw in better. Everything begins with you not having accomplices. Has a relative life trust impact. As smoking 15 cigarettes, regular mind research conveys how to win a contention. Tolerating the singular battling goes crazy. Additionally, begins hollering. Conventional human tendency is to holler back. Don't keep practical and answer serenely. This will upset them. Basically, more attempt it works. Never get preposterously connected with anybody beside if they similarly feel something practically indistinguishable towards you. Since disproportionate assumptions can intellectually pound you, mind science says, when you attempt to persuade somebody over something, ensure they are sitting and you are standing. This makes them trust you sooner. Young ladies who begin including calories at every turn, all through regular day-to-day existence, will without a doubt participate in liquor substance reliance. Not excessively far off. Mind science imparts intimate individuals you've just met by their name. Individuals love being inferred by their name, and it will fan out a vibe of trust. A lot of when somebody says they need to pose you an character makes you review every one of the terrible things they have done. As of late, giggling brings down the degree of chemicals. Furthermore, fortifies the safe framework in the vast majority of the way of life. Men view that as more youthful ladies are more alluring than more seasoned ladies, though ladies are drawn in towards more seasoned men. Psychoticism is deficient in compassion, horrible and introvert, forceful and inconvenient. At the point when you lose your cash, you lose nothing. At the point when you lose your well-being, you lose something. At the point when you lose your personality, you lose everything. At the point when we are compromised, we give our all to cherishing, adoring, caring, tranquil, make others accept we are great individuals. One of the hardest things isn't talking to somebody you use to converse with each day.